Alright, hello everyone. Yeah, so this is my bike check. BSD Waza is a frame, BSD Waza frame, 20.50 or 68, something like that, top tube. 12.8 slams back in, unslammed to be like 13.5, I believe. Running the Stranger Haze tires and gum, 2.4 front and back. I had to kind of had to kind of mod the back dropouts to get that tire to fit. Kind of like it so far. Have a Rosser spoke look, and the front's Odyssey. The front's the E-Claw Cortex hub. Rear's Odyssey clutch free coaster. V1 has a V2 out now, but when I went to get this wheel build, I didn't know about it, so it's really is. Bowling Def C, which I've had on all my bike checks. Some custom brand post I just painted black. You get a new one. Devon Somali grips and gum. Flybikes Rowie stem, band stash cap, E-Clock cargo headset, and a CV charger forks. E-Clock Venom pegs 4.5s. Crap, whatever. E-Clock Cortex G-Sport rib cage on the rear, bird cage in the front. Got Primo spokes, I believe. They're all made at Custom Bike Shop. Those are the daily grind bars by a professional rider. I think his name is Mike. I forget what they are, but they are the tower bars. You got 4-degree up, 9.25 or 9.125 rise, 10-degree back sweep. Way better than the older bars. Close up. A lot of my parts are pretty still new, more like rim set and stuff. And tires, pegs are kind of rare, as you can tell. E-Clock Venom still holding up pretty well. We still need new sleeves. E-Clock Churchill forks, wood polish, painted black. E-Clock Cortex comes with hub guard, so I got it. I had to get oil slick because it was sold out in black, and I was not trying to be patient. So now water frame, blah blah blah. Alright, Shadow Supreme chain. It's the gunmetal one. Recently we're switching to natural. It's holding up. It's only snapped about 3 times, but that's, with actual use to it. Had it since I'll say since this one was probably firstly built with the white walls. And the rear Odyssey clutch. Yeah, I'm too lazy right now to get up, but I'll show you guys anyway. You see it in the next clip. Over here, as you can see, we have the Madeira Signet Sprocket 27T. If you are a rider who rides with the Waza frame and is curious how to slam in your dropouts with the half link, of course, you run a 27T sprocket, and obviously my rear hub is the clutch is 9T, so 27.9. Not sure about 10 or 28 really. Yeah, this is my bike check. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, bro.